always been a privilege to come here because we have been greeted so warmly and treated so well. And old Pejeta has stepped up, and it provides us a place to work. So from there we can come out and we can put into your schools the rich content that your children need to grow up as viable members of the 21st century and really contribute and be successful. Our goal is education, but that extends to the library as well. That has always been our goal. Afretech stands for Africa's future through education and technology. It's as simple as that. We want to give your children the tools. My husband used to say that education may not be the answer, but without it, there isn't one.
I guess the only thing I'd like to add is I've been with Sean and Bonnie for a long time, and I just want to express my regrets and really happy we were able to be here and memorialize Carol, because I think it makes a big difference. She was a big help to all of us, and she was a key part of the team. So, and we thought the library was the appropriate place to do that. So I'm glad we were able to make that happen. Having said that, I would just like to tell you that I think taking advantage of educational materials of any kind you can find is very fundamental for student growth. And I know they have the internet over there, and that's fine for some things, but you also want to get at information that's especially curated for education and that will be increasingly tied to your own curriculum. So I would encourage students to come over and start working with this and learning, and have the staff help them so that they don't just wander around, but start to train them so they know where to go and how to use it. And we will be available to help you whenever you need it. Asante.